Today's video, we're gonna find out the most annoying noises. Do you want to know the most annoying noises?
Most people don't like this noise.
Most people don't like this noise, actually. If you want to know what this is, if you don't know what this is, more people, it's basically a clown horn. Most people do, but I'm just wondering if you know. If you know, basically it's a clown horn. And it's really annoying. This could also be known as a squeaker toy. Some people have this in the car or the bus. Some people it's really annoying. This is basically a really annoying noise.
Yep.
We're going to make it more annoying with a hairdryer. Whoa, why is it so heated up? Okay, I do not want it to melt the plastic, but we're going to try to make it really annoying with a hairdryer, basically. We just like clowns to make this video more appealing, I guess. I don't know, more funnier. We're going to see how it sounds to connect a hairdryer to it. What if we do it backwards? Because I don't know if we're going to connect it small. That ain't nothing. Let's switch it around. Oh, that's hot. Is it melting the plastic? No, plastic is starting to fall. Yeah. Okay, we're back. We got another hairdryer. Can't put your hands over. Let's see what it sounds like. I will probably end up melting it. So it sounds
this video wasn't as good as we thought it would be, but we still
we still pretty much did it. So it's really loud when you put it in the hairdryer. Loud.
I don't know if it sounds that loud on the camera, but it's actually very, very loud. Trust me.
I almost burned my ears off. My gosh. No, but it's pretty loud. It's like. There's smoke coming out of it. Yeah, that's about what it sounds like.
Melted it.
So this is pretty much the most annoying noise. Imagine if you tried sleeping with this on all night. That would be really annoying. I remember when that happened, I could barely even sleep.
Okay, well, that's
this noise can be really annoying. And that's all we have for you.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our website to review our next video. That's all we have for you.